Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new review video. So I'll be doing review on the Huda Beauty stick foundation as well as the water jelly. I usually do not always use primer because I really don't think it makes a difference, but this was water jelly, so it's hydrating and it's like a moisturizer. I thought I'll just try these two together. So I'll be doing a wear test for around 8 or max to max around for 10 hours. Yes, if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmin. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews, makeup hauls. So if you are interested and if you want to, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below. If you want, you can check it out. And without wasting time, let's get into the video. So I have both the jelly hydrating jelly primer as well as the stick foundation. So this is the bottle of the primer and it has a nice pump to it, and then we have the stick foundation. I usually am not a big fan of stick foundation because it's full coverage, but this is lightweight, nice, beautiful finish on your skin, so that is why I actually got. And I have the shade Chai, which is 210B, and this is the packaging. It's really nice, sleek packaging. Then you have the product inside. Let me just quickly show you how much product we have. So we actually have that much product inside. It's around 12.5 grams, so we actually have that. And the color matches. I actually have the same shade in the bottle foundation as well, so I got the same shade. So we'll be trying out this soon. So I'm just gonna quickly tell you a few things. What is the difference in both the foundation, because that is very full coverage and I really am not a big fan of that. So this is for $39. I actually got it for my website and I got it for a cheaper price. I got it for just a little bit of discount price. This is for $39 on her website, and on Sephora Middle East it is for 170 AED, and the primer is for $33, and on Sephora Middle East it is for 150 AED. So this is a luxuriously cream stick formula that melts into the skin for a natural filtered finish that lasts up to 10 hours. I mean, I love these kind of products. That is why I got this, because I don't love a very heavy full coverage foundation, because I mean it looks very cakey on me. How much ever I blend it, it still looks very heavy, and I don't really love too much of coverage. Medium coverage glowy finish is good enough for me. It is long wearing, waterproof, humidity and sweat resistant formula, and you can set it and forget it for the rest of the day. Customizable, light and buildable coverage, and it has natural finish, fragrance free. It doesn't have any smell, which is great because all our products are it has a rose scent, and I hate rose scent. I just really don't like it. So it's fragrance free, vegan, non-comedogenic, waterproof, 10-hour wear. So if you want a medium to light coverage, you have to blend it with a sponge or brush, and if you want a full coverage, use the flat brush. And this has more sheer and medium and more natural coverage. Liquid foundation was full coverage, so we actually have that. Then going on to the water jelly, this is the Huda Beauty water jelly hydrating primer. So it will smooth texture, it will grip to your makeup well, and it will hydrate your skin. It will keep your moisture balanced all day long, while the activated makeup grip creates the perfect texture for makeup. The unique jelly texture melts into the skin for instant hydration, providing a smooth makeup ready canvas in less than 3 seconds. This is also fragrance free, non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested. Yeah, just apply it on your face and wait for a few seconds before applying your foundation. Best for all skin types, oily to dry, doesn't feel heavy or uncomfortable on your face. So now quickly we will start with the primer. So this is a nice good size bottle, and it has around 35 ml. This is the same size as the foundation bottle, just a clear packaging, that's all. It has a nice pump to it. And this is the packaging of the foundation. Really nice sleek foundation, and I usually choose the Sephora, and on her website also she has like a shade finder, so you can choose whatever undertone you have and you can like choose your skin tone and it will suggest you your shade. So you can try that, or the Sephora.com, like the US one, shade finder, so you can choose that also. Or if you have the same foundation in the liquid one, whatever shade you have in that, you can like choose the same shade. So yes, this is how the packaging is. Really nice and sleek, and from inside it looks like this. Really nice, sleek. Quickly I'm just gonna see how it looks on my face. Actually the shade is like really good. So now quickly we will actually like use a primer first. So I'm just going to take like maybe 1 pump, maybe just 1 pump, because I am not sure how much I have to like use. It actually like doesn't have any fragrance to it. I think I'll just use like just a little bit more because my skin is like really dry. Actually it is actually absorbing in the skin really well. Just going to let it like sit on my skin for a few seconds, around a minute, and then we like apply a foundation and see. So now I mean my skin is looking like really nice. My skin like never feels like glowy or dewy just using like a primer. If it's like a stroke cream, that is like a different story, but it's like looking really nice. Actually maybe I can just like use it on its own on the days when I don't feel like wearing any makeup as such. I mean since like COVID has started, I haven't like put any makeup like while going out. Yesterday I think was the first day I had gone for dinner with my friend for Diwali, so that was I think the first day in like months. For the first time like I had put like makeup on my face, like not foundation but like just a little bit of makeup. And like anyways, now going with the foundation, I think I'm just going to apply. I haven't like, it's my first time like using a stick foundation, so I really don't know how much like should I use. Maybe that much. And I'm actually going to use like a brush because I have like sponge, but it takes a lot of time to like build up, and it's actually blending very easily, and it's really like light coverage. Liquid one is like really heavy. Actually I can feel that it is sitting on my skin. This doesn't feel like that, and it is blending really nicely, and it is like very creamy. And I think it is a little bit light for me on my like screen. It's looking a little bit too light, but on my mirror it's like looking pretty well matched with my skin. It is actually like really nice, and I'm actually done. It was so easy to blend. I'm just going to add maybe little bit coverage, maybe around here, and I'm going to like just tap it in my skin. It's actually looking really nice, and it is actually like not exaggerating my pores at all. I think the primer really helped because I have a little bit of pores like around here. It's like a little bit visible. Sometimes some foundations like Luminous Dewy Foundation do like make it much more like visible, but I think the primer really helped, and it's like looking really nice. It is making me like little bit of like natural glowy finish, not very dewy because it's not like a dewy foundation. It's like a nice natural finish foundation, and I love like these kind of foundation, and the finish of it, it's looking really pretty. For concealer, maybe I'll just use my L'Oreal Infallible because I don't want to use the Huda Beauty one because that's like full coverage concealer, and I don't want to use that. Just a little bit, not a lot. And this concealer is also like blending nicely on the foundation, because sometimes like foundation and concealer, if the texture is little bit different, it really gets like cakey. I'm just going to use this concealer because I wanted to use like a primer, and I've like added too much. It's looking much better now. I'm just going to like powder my eyes quickly, and then I'll do my rest of my face like off camera. I'm just going to put like little bit of powder, whatever is left on my like face. My face is actually looking like really nice. The skin is looking really smooth. Quickly I'm just gonna do the rest of my face actually, and I'll be back, and then we'll continue with our video. So I'll just be back. So guys, I finished my makeup. Now it's actually like 5 p.m. and I might just do like 2 check-ins, one at around maybe 8 p.m. and then the last check-in will be like around maybe after 8 hours, and then we will actually be done. So I just quickly want to show you how my face is like actually looking. It's looking really nice, and as you can see it is looking so smooth, and it is still not gathered around my smile lines because it happens with like all the foundation, but I think it's like lightweight, that is why it's like not happening. My face is looking really nice, really pretty, really smooth, very lightweight. I really don't feel like anything on my skin. It's like really nice, and I think the primer has helped a lot in like not exaggerating my pores. It made my skin like very nice and like dewy, so actually looking really nice. So now it's like 5 p.m. as I told you. Now next check-in will be like around 8 p.m. so I'll see you soon. Hi guys, I'm back. It's actually like 8:15 now, so it's been like around almost 3 hours now. So it's actually, and I was like in the kitchen like preparing for dinner, and it's pretty hot. I mean outside it's like a good temperature, but inside at home in the kitchen it's like really hot. But my foundation is actually like looking really nice. It's looking very glowy. I was asking my hubby how is my like skin looking. He was like, you are actually like glowing, but it's really pretty. It hasn't like even synced in my smile lines, because that is the only like concern for me always, because you know it happens, my lines, it has not yet synced in my smile lines, just a little bit, but not very noticeable. As you can see, I'm actually looking at my screen, so it's not like noticeable, and it has not even bunched up like anywhere. It is very lightweight. I seriously don't like feel anything on my face. I just removed my eyelashes because kind of not feeling like having little false lashes on my eyes, but my face is actually looking like pretty good. I mean it has made my skin like more like glowy and dewy, maybe because of the primer as well as the foundation, but it's actually looking pretty good for now. I'm not sure, maybe it's like 8:15 now. I might do my last check-in around, final check-in like around maybe 12:30 or like 1. I sat like pretty late because I was doing some work. Whatever I'll be doing my check-in, it will be like last and final check-in, but for now it's actually looking like really nice, and the shade matches really well with my skin. I don't know whether because of this formula or not, but this shade is pretty good for me, and on screen it looks really nice, and it really melted in my skin, so it's like really pretty. I'll just zoom you in. So as you can see, it is not even exaggerating my pores. This like is because of face mask, and it's like so hot because of all the sweat. My skin is looking like really nice and glowy, very pretty, very natural. I seriously don't feel like I have like foundation on my face. The stick foundation is like really nice. I haven't like tried stick foundation, so I'm not sure about any other like foundation, but this looks pretty good to me, and it's like really nice. Now maybe I'll meet you around like around 12:30 or maybe 1, I'm not sure, and then I'll give you my final thoughts about it. Till now it's like really pretty and looking very beautiful on my skin, very pretty actually. Yeah, I'll see you soon at night. Hey guys, welcome back. It's almost 1, so I thought I'm just gonna like give you my final like check-in and my final review about it, because I need to like remove my makeup. It's been almost 8 hours and I'm kind of like sleepy, so I thought I'm just gonna like give you my final reviews, and then I'm gonna like just end this video. So I was like making dinner, then after like dinner, like after doing all the kitchen work, I was editing this video, the starting part of everything. I finished editing that, so I just have to like edit this part, because obviously today is like Sunday, it's like Monday now, so I have to upload it like on Mondays. So but anyways, so far so good. My makeup is looking really good. I mean it's a little bit hot, not too much, but it's hot, and my makeup is still really good. I was in the kitchen for about an hour maybe cooking, but it's actually still looking pretty good. Not yet like synced in my smile lines. That is the best part of this foundation. It's actually looking really like glowy and really pretty on my face, and it really like melted in my face really good. I have like a dry skin, so I mean it's looks really good on my skin, but I'm not sure. It says it is like for all skin types, but I think if you have like oily skin, it might get a little too oily, because it is not getting oily, but it is like making my skin like a little bit more dewy and glowy. So it might be like just a little bit more oily or dewy for you if you have an oily skin. But if you have like a dry skin, I think it is really pretty. And I think the primer helped really well. I mean, the primer is also really good. I really liked it because it is like too moisturizing for my dry skin, so it's really good. And the combination of the primer and the foundation is like really nice. I might just try the foundation without the primer and see, because I like to try like 2 or 3 times. I do like different video for Instagram as well, so I might do that. And if I like foundation, I like just keep on using it. So I'll keep, obviously at the end of the month, I'll obviously update you about all the products that I try. But it is actually looking like really good. My hair is like too oily, ignore that. And honestly, still my pores are not visible at all. It is really good, and my skin is looking really flawless. I mean, I have like textures and all that stuff, everybody has that, but aside from that, I mean, my entire face is like really applied it like really flawlessly and without any effort. So that was the best part. Seriously, I really love this foundation so much, because trust me, it is really good. And I haven't like tried any other stick foundation, but if this stick foundation was like very full coverage with like not having like any like natural finish, I don't think I would like it, because I don't really like a cakey finish. But I think the formula, and it is like so lightweight, that is why I really love it, because I love these kind of foundation, be it like liquid whatever, but I love these type of foundation which gives me a nice natural glow, and it is like very lightweight on the skin, not very heavy coverage, medium coverage. So I really like this type of foundations, and I honestly love these 2 products a lot. Even the primer is like really good. I will like keep using it because it is seriously very hydrating, and because my skin is like dry, so I have like dry patches. After using it, it really made my skin look really nice, and my foundation was applying like really nicely, and that is why I'm gonna keep using it. And I will be updating you more when I start using like more again in other videos. So at the end of the month, I'll be doing a video where I like update you about new products. Really, I really loved these 2, foundation and primer both. I mean, I'm in love with it. It is so good, and I will like keep using it again and again till I'm not like fed up of it. But honestly, this is really good. I would highly recommend you guys to like check it out. And I mean, obviously it's been out like since more than 2 weeks, so you must have like tried. But so if you have like tried out this foundation and primer, and what are your thoughts about it, please do let me know in the comments section, so I can like read it for myself and see whether you liked it or not. But I really loved it, trust me, and I would highly recommend. They have like amazing shade range. They have added more like 9 or 10 shades. I think they have like a total of 39 or 40 shades. They have added like more 9 to 10 new shades with new undertones, so do check that out. I'll put in the link in the description of the foundation and the primer of our website, so you can like just have a look at it. So anyways guys, this was actually all for today's video. I really liked it. I mean, for 8 hours this foundation, it is looking so pretty still on my face. Really pretty, and it is like really glowy and beautiful. So 8 hours is more than enough, because I usually like don't wear makeup for more than that, so this much time is like more than enough for me. So this was actually all for today's review video. I hope you like it. If you like it, if you have like any suggestions, or if you want to let me know anything about the foundation or the primer, if you have like, if you have used, if you have like any other suggestion, or if you have any other opinion, please do let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.